Oh man, I accidentally clicked the button. I'm gonna have to go back and try to piece it together. Sorry about that. Clicked the button on my phone and accidentally stopped the video. So anyway, as I was saying, some people were born to embody joy. And baby, it don't matter how many people let them down, how many times they let themselves down. It don't matter how many people kick them in the back, slap them across the face, give them a backhand from way back yonder and bring it on around. Baby, they gon' be in some joy. You hear me? It's some people that have the utmost kindness. They ain't gonna call you out for nothing. They ain't gonna pinpoint you for nothing. They gonna stay in their lane of kindness and let you figure it out. That ain't necessarily me. I'm kind. But baby, I was born for two things. I was born to embody love and truth. I was born as love and truth. I am love. Baby, don't come around me on that BS. So I'm going to get like my boy Harry in Resident Alien. This is some bullshit. And I'm going to call you out on it. But only because I love you. And I know that if don't nobody ever call you out on it, you're going to keep walking around in that bullshit, looking crazy, acting crazy, and wondering why you are going crazy. Baby, let me help you. Because I want to help you love yourself and walk in your authenticity. Which says, yep, I was on that bullshit today, but I'm going to get it together. And I'm still good. I'm still love. To some folks, this might seem like a ramble. But to the folks that get it, y'all get it. And if you don't, I won't say you won't. Maybe it's not your time to get it. Maybe it's not your lesson, your words, your message to get. Because I have a feeling that I'm really talking to the ones that are very much like me, that were born as love. I found this post, I think it was yesterday. And baby, I had to go on and repost that. And it says something like, I come in love and good vibes. If you get anything else from me, you did that. On 100, on God, on Creator, on Source, on Universe, on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. Touch my swag, wish you could. Baby, I don't say these things out of any sort of arrogance, honey. Because if you were born as love and you are here to embody love and share true love, and you can't share love without being true. Without being the truth. You can't. You first got to be true to yourself. True with yourself. Honest with yourself. No holds bar or something. Baby, let yourself out of prison. Set yourself free. The truth shall set you free. What truth are you withholding from yourself today? How are you keeping yourself imprisoned to your physical location, your spiritual location, your mental location, your emotional location, heck, your financial location? How are you keeping yourself imprisoned there? How? Check yourself before you wreck yourself. You better check yourself before you wreck yourself. Get by some water. Let the deepness of your soul come up. Like these waves, they come in, they go out. They come in, they go out. They ripple, they wave, they sit still in spots. Let it wash over you. Let it come greet you. Delving into your feeling. Water represents emotions, the emotional body. Baby, ain't nothing stable about no emotions. We learn how to regulate. Regulators, mount up. Y'all, I'm tripping on my own self right now. This sun must be overheating me. No, it's just me in full form, in my authenticity. Got a little laughter, you know, to lighten up the mood, baby. You know what I'm saying? Because, baby, even though it was bright out here, honey, turned on the light. Turned on the red light. What, red light district? Kind of getting down and dirty. Yeah. Talking about self-love. Talking about authenticity. Talking about embodying who you are. Because, baby, if this is reaching you, this is touching you, you catching the drift, you understanding what I'm really saying. Because this is a moment of activation for you. Because we need you out here. In the light, in the open. We need you. Not shut off, shut down, closed off, in your closet, in your prison. We just, sending the love vibrations out, girl. Boy, I've been there, done that. And it's time to come out. It's time to come out. I'm coming out. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. Dun 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 dun. I'm coming out. Hey, I want the world to know. Got to let it show. Shout out to Mother Diana Ross. Who, me, and her daughter got the same name. Go Tracie, go Tracie, go Tracie, go Tracie. Hey. It's about that time. Time to make a change. We are the people, we can do it. Yup, it's time, about that time. Time to make a change. We are the people, we can do it. Woo! Just listen to that. I ain't stepping out too far because now I got the phone in hand and just, it will not be my luck because I'm going to get my arse back out the water where I cannot drop my phone and it drowns. Oh. Some of y'all sitting back hoping folks forgot about you. Wanting to shrink, wanting to hide, wanting to play small because you've been beat up, banged up, abused, rebused. Child. But it's time to get them shackles off your feet so you can dance. Dance in the light, baby. Dance in the light. But if that's you, you sitting back feeling unloved. Woo, child, I'm feeling somebody because I feel you. Woo, you sitting back feeling unloved. Woo. Woo. Just know that you have not been forgotten. You are loved. You are unforgettable. That's what you are. Unforgettable. Though near or far. That's why, darling, it's incredible that someone like you is unforgettable. Think that I am unforgettable too. Listen, let me tell you something too. Don't be hating if I miss some words and get them wrong. What's coming out of my mouth is supposed to come out of my mouth. Okay? Somebody said, that ain't the words of the song. Well, bye. Either the message ain't for you or you rejecting it. One or the other. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Better get with the program and recognize when a word is being spoken and it's for you. You're unforgettable. Know that you are loved. Somebody needs to look up the song Know That You Are Loved by Cleo Soul. Cleo soul. Such a beautiful voice on that young lady. That song got me through, baby, that song got me through all the summer of 2022 when I was feeling the most unloved by just period, by life in general. Everything that could have hit me every which kind of way did. And I felt forgotten, unloved, and hell, not just unloved, but pure, flat out hated. Hola, pero. No lickies, though. Hey. The doggies love me. The animals love me, and I love them too. But don't put your tongue on me. I don't know where your tongue been. As a matter of fact, I do. It's been on your butthole. It's been on your armpit. It's been on Sally, Sue, Harry, Larry, Mo, and Curly's leg, arm, face, mouth. Child, don't put your tongue on me. We can speak without all that. And I can feel your love without all that licking. Keep your tongue to yourself. Please and thank you. Oh, I'm missing. I got some nutrient going on. I need to figure out what this is that I'm missing. I know one thing. My doggone hands, my fingers are swelling up a little bit. It's signs of dehydration for me. So I'm gonna have to go get me some fresh juice sandia. That's y'all, I was about to say that's Mexican for watermelon. That's crazy. That's Spanish for watermelon. For those that don't know, let me educate you a little bit. Just a little bit. Sandia. But baby, that watermelon is more hydrating than water alone. Eat it, drink it, touch it, feel it. Eat it, drink it, touch it, feel it. Sandia. Hey, sandia. Hey. So I'm going to have to get off here in just a moment because this water, oh my gosh. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. Da-da-da-da. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. You know what else feels good? Oh, back over here in Bugland. It feels good when you let your emotions flow. Not onto somebody, okay? But when you get with yourself and you dive deep in your own ocean, baby, and let them waves bring the stuff up to the surface that you need, that needs to be brought up. And baby, it ain't always bad shit that's coming to bring brought up. Baby, how about it's that beautiful love that you've been stuffing, pushing, hiding deep down inside. It's time for it to come up. Wash over you. Come meet you in the light of day. Yes. feels good to let your emotions flow. It feels good. And yeah, you may have to wade through the water, through the seaweed, the other little stuff. Yeah. But look at how vast your love is. The good feeling of love that you have, that you've been hiding, pushing down. You're going to have to wade through the sadness of the realization that you ain't been loving yourself while you've been out here spreading love and trying to love folks, and not just trying, but actually loving them, wanting love back, experiencing love on different levels. Yeah, all of that. But baby, the best love is self-love. Remember who you are. If you were born into this lifetime as love, it is time to wake the heck up and embody your love. Embody who you are. Be authentic to you. You don't have to pretend. But look, somebody recently told me they had nothing to prove. Baby, you only said that because you felt like you had something to prove, because you do. You got something to prove to your damn self. You ain't had nothing to prove to me or anybody else, but you got something to prove to yourself. Wake up, everybody. No more sleeping in bed. Wake up. Smell the coffee, smell the roses. Hell, if you just waking up and you got shit to smell it too. You got to go through it all in order to embody who you are. But it's time for you to wake up. It's time for you to remember who you are. Remember who you are. You are love and truth. You are truth in love. You are love in truth. Wake up. Wake up. Like the movie School Days. Who was that? Lawrence Fishburne. Wake up. Wake up. You're not useless. You're not worthless. Look at this. You're not. Where'd it go? Come on up out of there. You buried your head in the sand. It's time to unbury yourself. You are worthy. You are worthy. You valuable, baby. You so valuable. You priceless, honey. Baby, you get kidnapped and they send a ransom and they say they want me to pay $200 million. I'm going to send them back and be like, is that all? You must not have the person that I think you got, because there's no price that you can possibly put on them, because they are invaluable. Is that right? Invaluable? Does that mean that, did I say that word right? Did I use that word right? Well, if I didn't, this is what I meant. You're priceless. Your value is worth more than anything. Your value is life itself, love itself. Oh, I'm back near home. Come on and go with me. Come on over to my side, baby. It's the light side. It's the love side. It's the self-love side. It's the I know my worth side. It's the I value myself side. Buenos dias. Ew. I just stepped in some seaweed mess. That'll happen from time to time on this journey called self-love. I want to sing another song. But ain't nothing really coming to me. No particular song. So it must mean that I'm supposed to sing my own song. You may not understand the words that will be coming out of my mouth, but you will feel it. You will feel it. Whoa, 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 oh, oh, oh. Yo será pa quiero você. Rabasele no mokoyete. Yasana meyoko será. Seremo koyo sereyese. Yo sorobo. Yo sorobo. Yo sorobo. Yo sorobo. Yasa quiero posoro rapaye. Yo se quiera robo se le mase. Yo se quiere. Yo se quiere. Yo se quiere. Peace, love, soul, expansion, ascension, self-mastery. Let's go, yo. Peace out. Peace out. Deuces. And remember, love you to light.